Nutrition and movement are super important for our physical and our mental health, but it also works the other way around. The emotional patterns that we find ourselves in have a very real biochemical impact to the body. In fact, we have certain nerve bundles located along our spine connected to our nervous system that represent certain emotional themes in our lives. I'm Karina, I'm a health and movement coach, and I help people boost their energy levels, reclaim the joy in their lives, and love how they feel in their body. These nerve bundles along the spine are called plexuses, and an example is the cardiac plexus, located behind the heart that's connected to the themes of emotional vulnerability and giving and receiving love. And interestingly, the thymus gland is also located around the heart space, and that's responsible for creating the T cells that fight infection and support your immune system. So when we start to open up and share our vulnerability, forgive others, and receive love, our immune system can benefit as well. In fact, Gabor Mate talks about his work with HIV patients, and he says that the ones that were able to open up about their sexuality and be vulnerable had a greater chance of surviving the condition than those who didn't. Now, just because we know how powerful our emotions are to our physical health doesn't mean we have to work super hard to try to control our emotions. We just have to hold space for them, allowing uncomfortable emotions to move through our body so they can be automatically replaced with more empowering ones. Some practical ways to hold space for your emotions are to journal, even to create a voice memo journal. In fact, there was a study that showed that people who regularly express their emotions out loud had lower levels of inflammation. You could also simply observe any uncomfortable emotions that move through you and say something welcoming to them, something like, "I'm glad you're here." This simple act is a great way of experiencing unconditional self love, which is a powerful tool to heal the body. If you want more mindset, movement, and nutrition tools to feel amazing in your body, be sure to check out the other videos on my channel.